All right, everybody, the numbers are in for October 2022 for Treasure Island. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. It's November 1st. We've got a little Halloween hangover back there with some spooky lights still for you. I turn 50 tomorrow, so I'm trying to get these updates out before I take a little afternoon off tomorrow. Although there's a lot to talk about in the markets, that's why I'm doing these tonight. I'm going to share some things with you. So Treasure Island. First of all, this is a chart of the overall Gulfront market. You see me talk about this a lot. For the last couple of years, we've been focused on the red line here. The red line represents the number of units for sale. We really focused on that because that was the only thing really changing. We had so many buyers for condos that we knew the demand was there. So we would just watch supply levels, and it would tell us if we were either hot or crazy hot or nuclear hot. Interesting that supply levels are about the same now for the last 4 months, but we're up to 6.12 in months of inventory. In fact, the 3 of the last 4 months, so much demand has come out of the market. There are far fewer buyers buying condos in the last few months that we've moved up to this, over 6 months of inventory in the last 4 months. This is flirting with buyer market territory. We're already starting to see some signs of not full price depreciation across the market, but we're starting to see more negotiable sellers. Once negotiable sellers negotiate a little more on transactions and those close, you will start to see some sales coming in, a little bit lower pricing, and we'll see how the market works from there. Inside of Treasure Island specifically, we haven't had a closing in 3 months, so we can't even pull a months of inventory number just because we haven't had one in August, September, October. We've got 6 units out there for sale right now, priced anywhere from $690 asking price to $719. A couple of the 3 bedrooms asking $1,175 and $1,189. Again, moving forward, we're really going to have to tighten up. The fundamentals of real estate are sort of rearing their ugly heads. I guess I shouldn't say it like that. The fundamentals of real estate are that much more important. We're obsessing every day over marketing. We know that it's going to be that much, since now the sellers that we're working with to sell something are going to be competing with far fewer buyers. The marketing really has to be great. Not only do things have to look great, we have to present things in a real excellent way, but we have to distribute that in a way that our properties get noticed more than everybody else. So this is something we're really, really, literally obsessing over on a daily basis. So anyway, the update schedule for the next couple of months is December. I'm going to pull out a Gulfront condo market generally, not Treasure Island specific. This is going to give us some perspective historically on where we are. Again, 6-7 months to sell real estate in the big picture is not unusual or abnormal. And that's why I want to give a perspective on that next month. But we do really have to watch. There's a tipping point there between going into balanced and buyer market territory, which would affect pricing. And then early January, I'm going to wrap up 2022, Treasure Island specific, but also look ahead at projections for pricing to see where things are going to go in the spring market. So I'm getting a little lightheaded. I'm almost 50. You can see things are, no, I'm just kidding. Anyway, if you're thinking of selling in this market, we really need to start having the conversations about getting ahead of the market a little bit, pricing aggressively before you're talking about a price that's even lower than that. Those are very real possibilities to be considering. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 850-527-0221. In the meantime, I'll see you on the other side of 50. Thanks for watching.